You have spent months learning AI tools, building workflows, and following tutorials. But you are still trading hours for dollars at your day job. What if I told you the real money isn't in using AI, but in selling your ability to use it? Today, I am breaking down the exact step-by-step system to turn your AI skills into a freelancing business that can land you your first $1,000 within a month. This isn't about becoming an expert, it is about packaging what you already know. Stop collecting tools. Your real skill is already hiding in plain sight. Think about the single, repetitive task you perform most often at your current job or in your own projects. That mindless drain. That's not a chore, it is your secret weapon. The exact process you hate is the exact service a client desperately needs to buy. Your niche isn't a trendy tool, it is the tangible result you already produce daily. Stop thinking of yourself as just an admin or a designer. You are already solving critical business problems. That repetitive report you compile. It's a strategic health check a manager lacks. The graphic templates you update. They're the engine for a consistent brand. You aren't offering a task, you are selling the solution to a deep, expensive ache your client feels every single day. Look at the chaos in their day. The missed deadline, the silent customer, the budget bleeding out. That's the real niche. You are not a client or a manager. You are the calm. You are the one who sees their panic, steps in with AI, and says, "This stops now. Here is the data, here is the plan." Forget new AI tools. Your old expertise is now worth $5,000. Now, imagine this. You are a brand manager for your favorite coffee shop. Use AI to draft not just captions, but their entire quarterly marketing strategy, the kind that lands real clients. This document becomes your secret weapon. You are not asking for a chance, you are showing them what you've already done, proving your value before you ever speak. How do you prove you can manage a brand's entire strategy without a single client? By reverse engineering it. For that coffee shop, your screenshots show you starting with their website, crafting the precise AI prompt for their strategy, then polishing the final deck. That three-step story builds undeniable credibility and makes your offer irresistible. Think just having samples isn't enough. A random PDF looks cheap. A curated one-pager is a sales asset. It frames your story strategically, forcing a prospect to see your thinking before your work. This document does not say, "I can do this." It declares, "This is how I will do it for you." That's how you command the fee. Stop learning AI. Start selling your ignored skills instead. Stop calling yourself an AI expert. Clients do not hire a tool, they hire a result. You sell 7 days of posts that double engagement, not a text generator. Your service is the means, their new client is the end. Frame everything around the tangible, measurable outcome they desperately want, and they will not be able to say no. The most powerful offers answer one question: what does my day look like after I hire you? For a social media client, that's not "I write posts," it is "every Monday you receive a week's content plan. Every Wednesday you get a custom graphic. Every Friday, a performance report shows your growing followers." You sell clarity and calm, not just tasks. Now, the price. I want you to think bigger than your time. A restaurant owner does not need a website. She needs a full house. What's a new reservation worth? $50. Your project's fee is a fraction of the outcome's value. This positions you as an investment, not an expense, and makes your first number far easier to state with confidence. Stop learning AI tools. Start selling the expertise you already own. Stop endlessly scrolling. We are going hunting. I want you in 5 targeted online communities by lunch. Not broad forums, but specific groups where your ideal client is already complaining about their problems. Find where they are actively seeking solutions. Your next client isn't searching for you, you are about to place yourself directly in their path. Let's map it out. Stop the generic introduction. Your first message in that group will set the tone. Scan for the last person who just voiced their exact struggle. Slide into their DMs with the energy of a peer, not a pitch. Say, I saw your post and just helped someone get unstuck with that. Here's the one thing that worked for them. This isn't sales. It is a direct line to their trust. You are not browsing job boards. You are a detective on a live case. Your target? Online communities where your dream clients are stuck and voicing their pain right now. Your mission in the next 30 minutes, find 3 of them. Listen for their specific frustration. That's your signal. That's your opening. Now, go scan one group and just listen. Your AI skills are worthless. Here's why. You have done everything right, so why isn't this working yet? On a scale of 1 to 10, how much frustration does this cause you every single week? And if we could eliminate that friction tomorrow, what would that open up for you or your team to finally achieve? But here's where most freelancers freeze. They start pitching services, turning it into a transaction. Your only goal is to diagnose the problem. So you say, based on what you have shared, here's a sample of relevant work. Let me walk you through my 3-step process for solving exactly this. You are not selling. You are showing them the cure. You transition from problem to solution. You say, I recommend a fixed price project to solve this. This shifts the entire conversation. You are not billing hours, you are guaranteeing an outcome. It's a complete package. They know the exact cost and result, eliminating all financial uncertainty. This isn't a service pitch, it is a risk-free proposal for a specific result. Stop chasing AI tools. Your outdated knowledge is now priceless. Your deep expertise is the key. Stop winging it for every client. Build a central library of your most powerful prompts, your repeatable system for brilliance. This isn't just about saving time. It's about locking in your signature quality so that every delivery feels premium, predictable, and effortlessly scalable. Your process becomes your product. Isn't your best work often found after the first draft? What if you could design that final, crucial refinement into your service? Let's build a simple 3-step review gate. This turns subjective feedback into predictable progress, showing clients a professional methodology they can trust. It's how you transform, make it better into a signed-off deliverable every single time. Think a great portfolio piece is a happy accident? It is not. It is a system. Your review template forces structured, actionable feedback, killing endless revision loops. This predictability is what premium clients pay for. It moves you from a task doer to a process owner. That's the shift that builds a real business, not just another gig. You are chasing AI skills while ignoring your real gold mine. Here's the death of your freelance career, treating every project like a one-night stand. You deliver the work, get paid, and vanish. That's leaving a fortune on the table. Your real goal is the second project. The testimonial is your Trojan horse, a strategic request that flips a satisfied client into your single best salesperson for the next job. Here's how to move from hired gun to indispensable partner. Do not wait until your last deliverable. Propose the next logical project before you finish the first. Frame it as preserving their investment and momentum. That simple conversation transforms a transaction into a pipeline, ensuring you never face a dry month. Your first project isn't just a paycheck, it is your most powerful sales tool. Take that finished deliverable and its results. Now, do not just rest on it, weaponize it. Go to 10 other businesses facing the exact same problem. You are not selling a service anymore, you are offering a proven, working solution. That's how you go from hunting work to being hunted. Your AI freelancing business starts with one solved problem, not mastery of all tools. A simple portfolio built from samples is more powerful than a complex resume. The goal of your first project is a case study, not just the money. Pick your niche from step 1 and build your sample portfolio this week. That's the real starting line.